learning maths in easy way. We start chapter number 12, Heron's formula of class 9. So I want to explain that Heron's formula is a formula to find out the area of the triangle. So direct उसे करने से पहले first we will recap about the basic concept of the triangle. What are the triangles now? Triangle is a figure made up of three line segments. When we join the three line segment, a figure we will get, it is triangle. There are three sides. ये side A, let I am writing here name as A B C. ठीक है? So A B, B C and C A are the sides. And this angle A, it is angle B, angle C. These three are angles of the triangle. Now, the types of the triangle. Types of triangles means कि triangles कितने types के होते हैं. ये these are 6 types. 3 based on angles and 3 based on sides. So एक छोटा सा recap कर लेते हैं angles के लिए भी कि if the triangle are based on the angles, the first one is acute angled triangle. Second one is right angle triangle. And the third one is obtuse angle triangle. And the general formula for finding out the area of triangle is half into base into height. Where B is what? बेस होता है जिस भी वर्टिसेस से या ये बोलिए कि जिस भी लाइन पर ऑल्टीट्यूड आकर फॉल होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द बेस. हियर यहाँ पे ये एल्टीट्यूड मैंने ड्रॉ किया है, सो इट इज बी. ये हमने मान लिया बेस है एंड इट इज हाइट. एच इज हाइट ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. Now, the triangle based on its sides. The first one is scalene triangle, where three triangles are three sides of the triangle are different. Means all three sides are of different side. And the second one is isosceles. Isosceles triangle means two sides equal, जहां पर हमारी दो साइड इक्वल होती हैं. एंड द थर्ड वन इज इक्विलेटरल, वेयर थ्री साइड्स आर इक्वल. मीन्स स्केलिन में हमारी कोई भी साइड इक्वल नहीं होती है. आइसोस्केलिस में टू साइड्स इक्वल होती है एंड इक्विलेटरल में थ्री साइड्स इक्वल होती है. नाउ द फॉर्मूला for equilateral triangle, for finding out the area of this triangle is √3/4 into side square. It is a formula for the equilateral triangle. Of isosceles triangle is B √4a square minus b square upon 4. Where A are equal sides, B is third side of the triangle. And here for the equilateral triangle, it will be here, जैसे मैंने आपको explain किया था, formula for the equilateral triangle to find out कि होता है √3/4 इंटू साइड स्क्वायर. तो वेयर द साइड, क्योंकि तीनों ही साइड हमारे इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल की इक्वल है, तो यहाँ पर इट इज साइड, ये हम एज्यूम कर लेते हैं ए है. ठीक है. एंड फॉर द स्केलिंग ट्राइंगल द एरिया इज स्क्वायर रूट एस माइनस ए, एस माइनस बी एंड एस माइनस सी. ओके. एंड हियर S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, where A, B, C are the sides of the triangle, and this formula is known as Heron's formula. In the next, we will derive the formulas of areas. Area of equilateral triangle, I write here the formula to find out the area. Now we will derive this formula. कि formula आता कहाँ से है? It is a equilateral triangle, let, okay, and named as A, B, C. Equilateral है तो all side will be equal. Now I draw a perpendicular to BC from A. Okay. जब ये इक्विलेटरल में हम एक ऑल्टीट्यूड ड्रॉ करते हैं तो इट विल कट एट द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द BC. सो इट इज दिस पॉइंट इज D और ये हो गया A/2 एंड इट इज ऑल्सो A/2. ओके, नाउ हियर AB इज इक्वल टू A, AC is equal to A. Now BD is equal to A/2 and let this AD is H. So the general formula of area is half into base into height. हमें base, we know that के base is A, but we don't know about the H. तो हमें क्या करना है? First we have to find out the H. So H we have to write here in triangle ABD. By Pythagoras theorem, AB will be hypotenuse. AB square is equal to AD square or plus BD square. So AB is A square and AD is H square plus BD is half A/2 square. और हमें क्या find out करना है? H square. तो we have to take H square is here or A square minus A square/4 when we do the square of that. ठीक है. Now H square is, we have to take the LCM, 4A square minus A square. It will be 3A square/4. So H is equal to root 3A square/4 and we have to find out, जब हम H को find out करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा H is equal to A/2 root 3. Okay. Now the general formula जो हमारा होता है A is equal to half into base is what? A into and height is this A/2 root 3. So A is equal to root 3/4 A square. It is the derivation of the formula for the equilateral triangle. अब ये हमें आ गया है तो ये भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं कि derive the formula for area of equilateral triangle. So by this method you can prove that कि area of equilateral triangle हम कैसे find out करते हैं. The area of isosceles triangle is equal to B root 4A square minus B square upon 4. Okay, so we have to derive this formula by the isosceles triangle. तो हम क्या करते हैं? एक isosceles triangle ले लेते हैं. Let the two sides are equal. These are A and the third side is B. Okay, now the same as in the previous derivation कि हमने क्या किया, इसको नेमिंग कर दिया ABC and it is the median. It is like D and ये हो गया B/2 and it is also B/2. So same as in triangle ABD. Hypotenuse square is equal to ये this PD square and plus like this is AD height square. Okay, now the A square is equal to BD is B/2 square or AD we have to find out H square. So again A square is equal to B square/4 plus H square. Now we have to find out the H square. तो हम H square ले लेते हैं and it will be A square minus B square/4. Now the same as we have to find out the H, 4A square minus B square/4. For finding out the height, we have to take the square root of both sides. तो यहाँ से हमें H मिल जाएगा and here 4A square minus B square और ये upon 2 जो है ये हमारा यहाँ से बाहर आ जाएगा. I write here h is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. Now the formula, general formula is area is equal to half into base into height. Now I put the value. Base is what? Base is b. This BC, b into, and this is the height. 1 upon 2 root 4a square minus b square. Now the multiply is 1, ये b रह गया, और 2 into 2 is 4 and root 4a square minus b square. तो ये हमारा फॉर्मूला यहाँ से डिराइव हो गया है. तो जब भी हमारा आइसोस्केलेस ट्राइंगल होता है तो वी कैन फाइंड आउट द एरिया बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. और यदि क्वेश्चन में ऐसा है कि वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एच, तो वी हैव टू यूज दिस प्रोसीजर. तो हाइट निकालने के लिए तो हमें ये प्रोसीजर करना होगा. अदरवाइज इफ वी नो द हाइट and the side of the triangle, we can use direct this formula to find out the area of isosceles triangle. And then in next video I will explain some applications of these formulas. If the concept of this video are clear to you, so like this video, share it and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.